right, next up we have Tim Haynes, and he's going to show you Respondly.
So yeah, I don't know, you said you were glad you're not following this. I thought your thing was really impressive, 21 days.
I don't know, I've been using that for the last week and it's amazing.
We've been working on Respondly for over a year now. It's a team inbox for email and Twitter. We built it with the initial use case of supporting customer support. I had another business called Favster, still have another business called Favster, which has 3 million users using it each month, and they ask me lots and lots of questions on Twitter and lots of questions over email, and we didn't really have a good way of handling that. We tried a few systems and we thought we could build something we liked a little bit more. We had a few other people agree with us, Tweetbot, Stripe, NPM, Pocket, and another company called Slack are using it now. And really, I just want to show you what the sign-up process is like. So I'm signing in. And my team, so it's all about team communication with consumers out there. Some of them might be your customers, some of them might not. They might just be firing you questions. So we have this little tour the first time that you sign in. It basically helps you get going. You add your company Twitter account. It's not Tim Haynes, it's Meteor Demo Inc. And one thing it's really good for is monitoring the searches. And there's a couple of email steps too, but I'm going to skip that for this demo. And so that's the admin setup. The first person who sets up the Respondly gets that. And then after that, there's like a quick 7-page tour for people who, other team members who join. They can learn more about how it works. I'll just skip through these. But yeah, if you want to use it, they're kind of interesting. So what happens is that we end up with conversations in our inbox here, and it's built to be used really fast, so we've built in a whole bunch of keyboard shortcuts for it, so it can be totally driven from the keyboard. Here's a tweet from Meteor talking about Steve being up to speak, and that was pretty awesome, so I want to favorite that. Yeah, I can do that with the F key. I can follow Meteor with the W key. And when I'm done with that, I can archive it just from the keyboard. And what that lets me do, we've got a lot of companies who are sort of receiving 50, 100, 200 tweets a day. And this lets the whole team work on it and basically go through and process those support queries really quickly. That's it, time.
Questions?
So do you have any customers? Who's using this?
Yeah. Do we have any customers? Who's using this? So we launched it in April the 15th, just recently, but we've got Stripe using it, we've got Pocket using it, Slack's using it, Tweetbot's using it, which is kind of funny because their whole business is around a Twitter client. And I use Tweetbot for a personal system, but this is really good for running a business with business Twitter account.
Any plans to support other social networks?
Yeah, we've got a list of plans. It's about this long, and somewhere in there is like Facebook and LinkedIn and a few other things. But yeah, Steve.
Yeah, how do you do the team organization and keep the data together? Just curious.
How do you mean? What do you mean? Is it?
You add people, right?
Yep.
And you're basically giving them access to the data, but they're not fully in charge, right?
It depends. You can make them an admin,
Okay.
and then they are fully in charge, just the same as you are. They've got all the rights that you have. Or you can just make them a team member. Also, after you've added someone, you can control what rights they have. So do you really want to let them retweet from your main business account?
Yeah.
and you can say only admins, or no one can do that, or everyone.
Do you use a Meteor package to handle that, or?
Yes, we're using about 54 Meteor packages that we build ourselves, and 4 open source ones, and then the Meteor stack. Yeah, but I guess a lot of the UI is custom built.
Slava?
Can you tell us more about your scaling experience? How many servers do you have? How many customers you can shut down your server?
Yeah, I don't know. That's a long topic. Can I talk about scaling? And yes, I could, but not in the time we've got. Do you have a question?
Yeah. Did you use a package to do the social logins at the beginning? I'm assuming the Twitter login in particular, you're going to use those Twitter credentials from the server side to pull Twitter messages.
Yeah, so we're using the Twitter Meteor package, and the login utilizes that, and then we just customize it a little bit. So we've set it up so that you can add multiple business accounts that you want to manage, and that's leveraging the Twitter package, but it's got some custom callback handlers on it which stick it into a different collection on the server when it comes back.
I think it's such a great Twitter package.
Yeah, it's delightful.
Okay. Cool, thanks.
Thank you.